What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on Binance. So let's get right to it. Here I am on Binance.com. Now Binance is a cryptocurrency trading platform where you can trade currencies for other currencies and so on. So here, first step is you need to sign up or create an account. So by signing up, click here and then enter my email or phone number, or you can sign up with Google or Apple. I'm going to enter my email right here. Okay, then click next and then complete the puzzle. Okay. And once you do create your account, you can go ahead and then be able to trade the currencies. Now they sent me a verification code that I need to enter here to confirm my email. Okay, so I've entered it. Now I need to create a password. Okay, create, click next. And I can enter referral ID, however, I just close it. And now I'm on my dashboard, my main dashboard. Now here, the main way to deposit money is to USDT, which is like a virtual currency equivalent to US dollars. And once you deposit the USDT or the amount here, you can click here to deposit, and you have many options to deposit crypto or through P2P trading, or you can buy crypto or through a bank deposit if you want to connect your bank account. Now, the main way to make money on Binance is through trading. You can trade other, like your cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. Of course, the pricing are always like going up and down, and you can buy currencies and wait for them for their value to go up and then trade them, and this way you can make a profit. However, there is of course a risk, as with all these types of businesses, that you can buy any currency and the price can go down, so you can lose. However, if you follow the market well and you are seasoned, you can make pretty good profit with Binance with trading currencies and trading in general.